people. Here we are again with a new lesson, and today we are going to talk a little bit about the Lithuanian prefix pa and about its uses. How is the prefix pa used? And also we'll discuss two words, jau ir truputį. Okay, so we'll discuss the prefix pa and how it is used with these words, jau and truputį. First of all, let us see what does it mean when we say jau, already. Yes, I have already done it. Aš jau padariau tai. So probably you can notice that I said jau and I said padariau. Yes, not aš jau dariau, but aš jau padariau. I have done. Now truputį means a little bit or some. A little bit or some. And our first example with truputį will be aš truputį paėjau. I have walked for a little bit, for some distance. Yes. So the first case where we use the prefix pa is when we are talking about having something done, having some action completed, like I have, yes, like present perfect. I have done it, I have written, I have eaten, I have already eaten, aš pavalgiau, aš parašiau, aš padariau. Yes, so the first case is when something is done, a finished action. The second case is when we have done some volume of a specific action, a certain volume, certain amount of a specific action, or when we have done a segment of something, yes, just a part of something, or when we've done a little bit of something. So aš truputį paėjau. I have walked for a little bit. Or aš truputį padainavau, tada pažaidžiau kompiuteriu, tada pasportavau. All right, pasportavau. It might mean that I've either done my sports or I've done a little bit of sports. And here comes these words jau or truputį. So, for example, aš jau pasportavau. I have already done my sports. Yes, aš jau pasportavau. So in this case, it might even mean a large volume of time, whether it was 2 hours or 3 hours. Or I can say aš truputį pasportavau. Aš truputį pasportavau. I have done some sports. I have done a little bit of sports. Yes, or as if I have done, I've just had a short sports session, you know. A better example of that little volume would be paėjau. If I was to say that I have completed my walk, like, for example, I have gone somewhere or I have come somewhere, I would say nuėjau. Nuėjau. Now the prefix changes. Nuėjau pas draugą. I went to my friend. Nuėjau pas savo draugą. But if I wanted to tell you, if I wanted to say that I have walked for, let's say, 10 meters, then stopped, then walked for another 20 meters, so I could say paėjau 10 metrų, tada sustojau, paėjau dar 10 metrų, tada sustojau, pailsėjau, o tada paėjau dar 20 metrų. So in this case, we're talking about these short segments of action. Paėjau. Truputį padainavau. I have sung just a little bit. Padainavau. Or another case is I have already done my singing. Like I've done my part of singing. Aš jau padainavau. And it might not mean just a very short segment. It might mean the whole concert. Aš jau padainavau. Dabar yra 10 valandų vakaro ir aš esu padaręs visus dienos darbus. Arba aš jau padariau visus dienos darbus. Padainavau, parašiau visus laiškus, pabaigiau visus darbus, pasodinau daug medžių. Šiandien sode pasodinau daug medžių. Yes, I have planted, pasodinau. Pakabinau paveikslą. Ant sienos pakabinau paveikslą. I have hung a picture on the wall. Pamačiau daug gražių dalykų. Pamačiau. I have seen. Pasakiau. Yes, I have said all the things. I have said all the important things. Šiandien pasakiau visus svarbius dalykus. So, in all of these cases, we're using pa to tell that we have accomplished something, we have done it, we have finished it, we have completed it, yes? And another case, now about having done a little bit or having done some volume, our examples. Truputį padainavau. Truputį paėjau su draugu, o po to išsiskyrėme. Truputį paėjau su draugu, o po to išsiskyrėme. Truputį pasimeldžiau. Truputį pasimeldžiau. I have prayed for a short time, a little bit. Pasimeldžiau. I did a bit of climbing, let's say, to a mountain, yes? Pakopiau. Truputį paėjau, po to pakopiau į kalną. I've done some climbing, a little bit of climbing. And then I saw. O tada pamačiau. Pamačiau. So it's not like it wouldn't mean that I saw a little bit of something. No. Now that's a completed action. Ir tada pamačiau. I saw. Padažiau. Padažiau. If I was to say I have painted something, I would say nudažiau. Yes, now that's a different prefix. Nu. We will talk about it in the next lesson. About prefixes. Nudažiau, I have done painting. But padažiau, I painted a little bit. I did a little painting. For example, padažiau tvorą. I've painted my fence, but the word padažiau tells us that either I didn't do it in a proper manner, padažiau. I didn't do it in a proper manner. I didn't maybe follow the full process of painting, the proper method. Aš tik padažiau. I did a little bit of it. Or maybe I covered it in paint fully, but maybe not in such a good quality. So, padažiau, pakopiau, padainavau, paėjau, pasimeldžiau. All of these things, I've done some of it. I've done a little bit of it. And that's it for today. The main things that we have to remember, jau ir truputį, yes? Aš jau paskaičiau, aš jau paėjau, aš jau pakabinau, aš jau pamačiau. Aš truputį padainavau, aš truputį paėjau, aš truputį pasimeldžiau, truputį pakopiau, and so on. So thanks for your attention. and see you next time. Bye bye.